Dear friends, today's topic is how to create a professional e-commerce website with a free website domain and free SSL certificate. That is, we are going to create a HTTPS website. So let us go to Google. The website that we create is highly professional. So let us go to wix.com. You can create a website you are proud of. Click sign in. Then continue with Google. Either we can continue with Facebook or continue with Apple. I am continuing with Google. So in order to create a website, you require a Gmail. So only requirement is you need to have a Gmail account. So click create new site. Create new site. Like that. It is asking what kind of website do you want to create. Business, designer, blog, online store, restaurant and food, beauty and wellness, photography, fitness, portfolio CV, music, events, others. I want to create an online store. Click that. Again, there are two options in it. Either you can use ADI. Let Wix ADI create a website for you, or create a website with the editor. Right? If you use the editor, you have a lot of templates. You can start with the template, make it your own with easy drag and drop. Right? There are thousands of design. But when you use Wix ADI, you have to answer few simple questions. Automatically, you will get a website designed for you. Right? So I am using a template selecting the second option. Okay. So pick the website template that you love. I am searching for. I want to create a professional online grocery store. So I am searching for grocery. Right? There are many websites available. Hundreds or thousands of websites are available. You can choose those templates and then you can edit it. I want this, so I am just viewing it. View full demo. Click it. Close this. So this is the template website. Right? This website looks neat. If you find not okay, then you can select another one. Now you can click edit. So the editor in the wix.com website is opening. Just wait for a moment. Yes, it has opened. So this is the website that we have opened in editor. So click publish. So here two options. One is you can have a free wix.com domain, or you can connect with your customized domain. Actually, I want to connect with a customized domain. So I am clicking that. Connect your own customized domain. Save and continue. Click it. site is saved. Now get a new domain, connect to domain you already own, either choice. So I am creating a new domain name. Get a new domain name. So once you click that, it will ask for upgradation of the site with a premium plan. You have to select a plan, select a billing cycle, complete your purchase. It's 50% off on select premium plans. Okay, and also 14-day money back guarantee on all premium plans. There are two, one is website plan, the other is business and e-commerce plan. Okay, different plans are available. See here, these are the left side consists of features. What are the features available in each plan? In almost all the plan you get free SSL certificate. That is, when you create a website, it will be of HTTPS, not HTTP. So these are the features of the plan. Right? So initially what we saw was the website plan. This is the business and e-commerce plan. Right, one is the business VIP, this is business unlimited, business basics. Right, so the price is also given, 150 per month, business unlimited. It is billed annually, that is 12 months itself you need to pay at the start. Right, so 150 into 12, actually it costs 300, but 50% off. Or you can choose business VIP 250 per month or business basic 225 per month. All the plans they are billing it annually. You cannot select 1 month plan. You have to select 1 year plan minimum. Right, so these are the different features. Online payments possible in all the plans, recurring payments, customer accounts, custom domain, all the plans, free domain for 1 year for all the plans. It will remove the Wix ad, bandwidth is unlimited, storage space for the first one 50 GB, then 35 GB, then 20 GB. Video hours, first is unlimited, then 10 hours, 5 hours, then customer care, then complete e-commerce platform, unlimited product you can upload, abandoned cart recovery possible in all the plans, multiple currencies in first 2 plans. So these are the features of the various plans. In all these plans it accepts online bookings. You can use credit card or debit card to purchase any product. So you have to think carefully before selecting the plan. Once you have selected, you will be paying the amount online and you cannot change it further. So you need to think a while before selecting this plan. So I am selecting this second one. Option is there, yearly 150 into 12 months. Just click continue to check out. Otherwise you can choose 2 years plan also. You will save the 3000 rupees. I am selecting 1 year plan. 1 year yearly business unlimited plan. It is asking for the credit card or debit card details to purchase this business unlimited plan for my site. If you see, this yearly business unlimited plan has 1 year free domain, 10 videos, 35 GB storage. It will accept online payment. You can connect your domain, Google Analytics, professional logo. You can remove Wix ad, site boost is there, social media logo files is there, unlimited bandwidth is there, visitor analytics application is there. Also secure shopping with 14 days money back guarantee. You can try Wix for 14 days. If you are not 100% satisfied, you can get your money back. So if you have credit card, you can give the credit card details or debit card. I have debit card with me, so I am giving the details of my debit card in order to purchase this premium plan. So you have to give all the details. And this is the amount. Actually it costs 3,600 rupees. Since it is 50% discount, you need to pay only 1,800 rupees. You have to provide your company name, debit card number, whether it is Visa or MasterCard, expiration date, security code which is present at the back side of your debit card, first name, last name, phone number, address, city, state, postal code, everything, all the details. You have to keep it ready and you have to enter the details. So once you enter the details, you can buy it easily online. So just a minute, let me submit and purchase. I have entered all the details. Now it is asking for the 3D authentication PIN. So just let me check in my mobile. Since I have given my debit card, this 3D secure authentication message will come to my registered mobile number available or registered with the bank. Yes, I received the OTP. So let me enter the OTP. Then click submit. No thanks. Payment has been processed, is processing. Congratulations, the site has become premium. Right? Now you can get the best domain for free. So this domain name that you can get is free. So I want a domain name which I like. Right? So I want allelite.online. So let me search and check whether it is available. allelite.online. So let me search. Yes, it is available. We can able to purchase this domain freely. This website name is allelite.online. It is available. If it is not available, it will display that it is not available. So you have to go for another option, either allelite.org or .in or some other name. So since it is available, just click get it. allelite.online is available. allelite.online will soon be yours, right? So here it is asking for registration period 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. For 1 year it is free. Actually it costs 2100. For 2 years it costs 4200. Suppose if we click 1 year, Wix is giving us free domain. So we can save 2160 rupees per year. Not per year, a year, in a year. So then you can click continue. Actually they are giving the domain voucher for 2160 rupees. So 2160 is the actual cost. So domain voucher, if you subtract, it costs 0. So now you can click continue. From second year onwards, you need to pay 2160 rupees per year for this domain. Some people may choose 2 years. Right? If you choose 2 years, or you can also choose 3 years. Right? This domain you can register for 2 years or 3 years, 1 year, 2 year or 3 years. If you do that, you can able to save. If it is 2 years, 2%. If it is 3 years, you can save 5%. Right? Now click continue. Now you have to give the contact information details. Right? First name, last name, phone number, company name, email address, the address of the company, all these details you have to get. Submit. This website is being created for one of our client. Using this website allelite.online, you can able to purchase any items online. It is an e-commerce website, fully functioning e-commerce website. So first name, I'm entering the first name of my client. Then the last name. Then the phone number. You have to give the contact details information for this concerned website correctly. Since any communication, any email communication, they will give you, and you can able to receive it correctly. Then company name. Enter the company name. Then the email ID. As soon as you complete this purchase, you will get alert in your email. So please ensure that you give the correct email ID. Just come down. Now you have to give the address of the company, city, postal code, country and the state. So whatever contact information it requests, we need to submit it. Wix.com is one of the professional company which is in Israel, and it is famous for its professional websites. If you go to GoDaddy.com, you can only buy a domain. Further, you need to have the help of somebody else to create a website. But it is not the case with Wix.com. You can buy the website, get the domain free along with the SSL certificate. Separately, if you purchase a SSL certificate, it costs around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees per year in order to buy SSL certificate. Whereas in the case of this site, it is available free. So that is a major advantage of this. Okay, we have given city, postal code, country and state. Okay, so ensure that everything is correct. Also, the websites of the Wix, the templates given are huge in number with the different professionally designed websites. You need to just drag and drop or edit the website. And excellent features are provided in this Wix.com platform. The amount that we pay online to get this website in Wix.com is also quite very minimum. Normally, if you want to own a e-commerce website, it costs minimum 30,000 to 50,000 rupees. Minimum 30,000 to 50,000 rupees it costs. But here in Wix.com, the rate is very cheap. Also, it's world's number one. Now click continue. Click continue. Now you have to choose this public registration. Else you need to pay again 594 per rupees for private registration. If you want, you can opt for that first one. Since it is HTTPS website, you can just neglect and you can go for public registration and then click continue. Click continue. Yes, again you need to give the payment method, debit card and credit card details. Initially we have given it for the converting the website to premium. Here we are giving the credit card or debit card details to purchase the free domain. Along with the domain voucher, it costs 0, but still you need to provide the debit card details. You have to give all the details, card number and card type, Visa or Master. So once you enter the detail, click submit purchase. Thank you for your purchase. Alilai.online is now assigned to my site. To go live, click publish. You can also get a personalized mailbox. Therefore, G Studio have to go, you have to purchase it. We are neglecting it now. Now it is entering into the Wix website editor. Just wait for a moment. Yes. So this is the website. You can explore the various options provided in the editor. You can change it wherever you want. And once editing is done, you can publish it. And whenever you make any changes, you have to give publish. Only then the changes that you make will be published and it will be live. So let us explore. So many options are there which you can study in detail. You can try out, you can make any modifications if required. Also please ensure that you don't change the entire layout. That will lose the professionality. So without losing the professionality, you can able to edit. You should edit. So let us go to the mobile side. Click this. The left side is desktop side. You can able to see the desktop view. This is the mobile view. Okay. So the website looks like this in the mobile. So let's go. Click it. Click next. Click. Click next. Go to mobile editor, click it. Click mobile tools. Click quick action bar. Now this is the quick action bar setting. You can give the phone number. Click setup. So you can able to enter the phone number, email ID, Facebook account, chat, right, or WhatsApp, and anything you can provide it, and in a single click you can able to do the operations easily in the mobile site. Any person who is looking into your website in their mobile, they can able to contact you or communicate to you easily, provided you set up the quick action button. Click, then email, click it, click setup. What is the email address? Enter the email address. While giving all these details, contact details, please ensure that it is correct, so that any person willing to contact you will easily communicate with you. Click more action, click WhatsApp. So WhatsApp number also you can provide. Click setup, add your WhatsApp number, so that they can easily within a single click, using the setup, using the quick action button, they can easily communicate to you via WhatsApp too. So provide the WhatsApp number, then click done. You can add up to five quick action buttons. Facebook we have not created. So once Facebook account or any other account, Twitter account has been created, you can add up here, but maximum of 5. Right, and you can move it also down. If you want to delete, you can delete it too. Remove. Then again more action. Phone is there, email is there. Okay, enough. Remove, close it. Now let us go to the switch to desktop site. Whenever you edit it, you have to see both the desktop site and mobile site. Now click publish after doing some modifications. Record. Congratulations, your site is published and live online. So this is a website, https://www.allelite.online. So this is the website that we have created. Now once you click view site, you can able to see the website. Okay, now this is the mobile site. Right, nice looking. So let us change to desktop site. So this is a desktop site. Okay. Now we are seeing in the preview mode. Okay, so we are watching it in the preview mode now. This is the Wix chat. So these are the contact details. We need to change all this information and edit it. So later on we can edit it. So this is about. So about this online e-commerce store, you need to edit it and you can need to upload it. Then this is shop. You can add the products that you want. So here is another options, newest. So new products will come first. Then price low to high. So based on the price lower to higher it will come. Price high to low. So many options available. Name A to Z, it will display. Then name Z to A. So like this you have lot of options in this e-commerce website. So price also, colors, size. So based on various factors you can able to select these options. Okay. So this is the preview that we are watching. Looks nice. Once you click shop online, it will lead to the shopping page. Then click home. Now since we have created the website and published it, so let us go to the email and check the email messages received from Wix.com. Let's go to welcome to Wix, that email. So we have received the email from Wix. Create the website you want. Professional features, all the details about the website will be given in the email. Next. Yes, congratulations on your new Wix premium plan. Right. So once we made this website premium, the email was come. Then the order at Wix.com, successful transaction was successful. Transaction ID, merchant site, amount paid was 1,800 rupees. Order date, customer phone number, right? So all these details have been received by Wix.com. Okay. Next. Yes. After creating the website, congratulations on your new domain. You are now the owner of allelite.online. Right? You can view your invoice here. Subscription is valid till March 24, 2022. So you can click the invoice and see. This is the mail message received from Wix.com. So issued to so and so Alilai company. So invoice number March 24. I have created this website, but this is only for the domain. So amount is 0. So Wix.com is from Israel. So here the payment method is, payment amount is 0. Now let us go to the Wix.com site. So let us manage the website. Now in this, go to site actions. There are a lot many options available. Click edit site. So wait a moment. The editor is loading. Yes, the editor has opened. Now whatever editing that you want, you can able to make it. So let me change this. Just go to the top. So I want to change the name of this as Alilai. So click edit text. So change it to the record name. Then click somewhere on the website page. Yes, it has changed. Again click it. Click edit text, change it Alilai. We will deliver everything in it. So whatever modification that you want, you can able to change. So for the demo purpose, yes, edit text. Okay, edit text. So for the demo purpose, I am editing some few items from in the website. So proudly created with www.iintelligencesci.org, which is our website. iIntelligencesci provide website design and development as one of our service. So this is one of the website, e-commerce website that we have given it to one of our client. So the name of the client is Alilai. So 2021 by Alilai. Click somewhere on the page. Again address, change the address, click it. Click it, edit text, click it. Yes. So similarly you can able to change whatever the details that is already existing on the website. You can change the text, you can change the image, whatever you want you can able to change. Even the layout also you can able to change, but while changing the layout please ensure that it does not affect the professionality of the website. It is better to avoid changing the layout of the website, as we are not professionally skilled in changing it or modifying it. So other than the layout, you can able to better edit the text or images. So now we enter the address correctly. Now recently Wix.com has had a tie-up with the Google, and it is developing as a global company. Mostly Wix.com servers will have this Google My Business websites. Right? They had an MOU with the Google, and Google is giving that business to them. Then click publish. See, once you make any changes, it is a must that you have to click changes and click view site. Yes, this is the site. So whenever you modify anything, you have to make publish or click publish. Or as and when you change anything, including a small minor changes, if you want to update, you have to click change. So congratulations, close it. So similarly, you can do any changes, right, that you wish. Any number of changes you can make on this site. %, you can able to personalize this website, personalize the changes that you make. So I'm modifying it second time, right? For the demo purpose, I'm just modifying it second time. Similarly, you can do it, you can change it anywhere, anything, anywhere. Okay. You can also change the font size too. Anything you can change. You can change the theme, you can change the font size. But while changing the theme, please ensure that it doesn't, the entire thing gets collapsed. So ensure that. Click publish. But my suggestion would be, you need to fix the theme. You cannot change the theme often. If you can change, but once you change, all the modifications that you make on the website becomes a waste. All the images that you upload becomes waste. So better fix the theme initially, and further once you fix the theme, then please do not change the theme. Other than the theme, you can do. So this website looks nice. Okay. Now again, second time I am going to manage my site. Editing the site, edit site, click that, edit site. So it will open in the Wix website editor. You have to wait a moment. Yes, it is opened. So now let us go to the store. Welcome to the store. Get started. You can add the product to the store. Add products, create collection, and organize your inventory. You can also set up the payment option later on. Before setting the payment option, let us add few products in this website. So click new product. To digital product, physical product. So I am selecting the physical product. Choice is yours. You can also select digital product. Then add images, click it. Then click upload media. Upload from computer. I have some few pictures available, so those pictures I am just uploading it. Okay. So one of the images getting uploaded. Click add image. Then basic information you need to furnish. You can also add more number of images. So as a model demo, I am adding only one image. Then give the name of the product. Ribbon also you can make, either new arrival or new special, whatever it is you can able to type in the ribbon. Then you can give the price. So for time being it has been set to the dollar. Later on we will change it to rupee. There is a provision to change the currency. So click that on sale. You can also give the discount if you like so much percentage. So automatically it will be converted to the final price, sell price. So here product description also you can give. This is inventory and shipping. You can include the stock also available. You can have the description of the product too. Later on we will add the description of the product. Then click save. Yes, the product has been included in the inventory. Next step, set up payment methods. So get paid, click it. So accept payment. There are a lot many modes are available. You can accept PayPal, Razorpay. First you need to connect those payment gateways. Right. To get the best payment method for your business, just confirm that your business location is in India. Click confirm. After doing that, you need to click to either of the payment gateway, either PayPal or Razorpay or manual payment. See the other options. See option or PayU Business India. Connect to accept debit and credit cards or to checkout. So it will accept all this, but with the transaction 2% per transaction for PayU Business and 3.5 to for the other option. So we will do this payment settings later on. So we need the GST and other details in order to activate the payment gateway. So for time being, in this video we are unable to activate the payment gateway. In the later videos we may upload those videos how to activate the payment gateway. The client has already applied for the GST. So once we receive the GST number, only then the payment gateway can be activated. Right. Even manual payments also you can connect. Right. Manual payments to accept cash, check or other forms of payment. Now let us go to the dashboard. Just explore what are the options that are available. You can also edit your business information, set up store settings, set up store tax. All setups has to be done initially before going for giving these details to the customer. So products, let us upload few more products. Click new product, physical file. Click add images. Click add images. Now upload from computer. Just upload the second image. Click add image. Click the product name. Price also 35. Click on sale. Product description if you want you can make. Then click save. Similarly upload for more products like what I am doing now. Click new product. Click add images. Upload files. Upload from computer. Click OK. If you have a faster internet connection, it will upload immediately, else it takes time. Give the product name. Red lady's finger. Price. On sale. Click save. Click new product, physical. Add images. Upload from computer. Click OK. Let me check the name of that product. Write the name, Makkacholam. Red Makkacholam. Okay. Price. On sale. Click save. New product. Physical. Add images. Upload media. Upload from computer. Next image. Open. Click add images. Click save. Upload from computer. While uploading images, you can add more number of images if you have. So as a demo purpose, I am uploading only one image. On sale. Also, it is better to give the product description without fail. New product, physical. Add images. Upload media. Upload from computer. Okay, sunflower. Add images. Name of the product, sunflower. Ribbon. You can make new arrival or new, whatever you like. All $35. Based on the product, based on the highlight to be recorded to the product, just give it. Click save. Click new product. Again, physical product. You can also provide digital product, provided you have the digital product available for sale. Upload the next image. Add image. Name of the product, cauliflower. On sale. So click save. New product. Add images. Upload from computer. WhatsApp image. Open. e-commerce website, you have lot many features available. So it is impossible to give it all the details within this limited time period. Even though this video exceeded 1 hour, maximum possible important aspects we have touched upon. So uploading your products is quite very important for any e-commerce website. So that is the reason we are giving it as a practice. More number of photos to upload in the e-commerce website. So once you used to this, it becomes quite easier. Initially you may find it difficult, but as you get used to it, it looks very simple. Description of the product also must. Inventory and shipping also you need to provide, right, as and when required. So now click save. Click new product. So now let me close it. Click publish. New site. Let us see. Super. All the products that we have uploaded has been published. Nice. This is the old product. In the top comes the newly added product. Okay. Nice. Let us scroll the site and check. Looks nice. So further modifications, anything if you want, you can able to make it using the Wix website editor. It comes on a rotation basis actually. Just try to move on. It comes in a circle. Yes. So nice looking website. Click done. Just set up login bar. Click login. Layout, design, animation. Click manage menu. Let us add some page to this. You can add any number of pages that you wish. Let us give account. Okay, bank account. So better account, only account. Okay, click done. So this is the page. Just scroll it down and push it down and keep. So let the about come first. So click on to that account page. Click it. Let us give the bank account details. We need to add some text in it. So let us explore where is the text. This is the box, themed box. Let us try to add this. We cannot change, we cannot add text, so just delete it. Close it. Yes, deleted. This text separate option is there. Themed text, titles, paragraph, all options are there. So let me select this business title. Now let me edit the text. Yes. Provide the bank account details. You need to provide the bank account number and IFSC code correctly in order for the customer to pay you online via internet banking. You can also provide Google Pay. For that, you just need to provide only your mobile number. This option is just a temporary measure before the payment gateway in this site is activated, since we are waiting for the GST number to come. For time being, the payment gateway has not been integrated with the website temporarily. Later on we will integrate it, and in next video I will explain you how to integrate the payment gateway. How to give the bank name correctly, also the branch name, along with the account number correctly and the IFSC code exactly. So now publish page. Click publish page. Any changes that you make in this editor must be published without fail. Only then it will take effect. It is not enough to save, it is a must to publish. So let us see this. Just wait. This allelite.online website, customers can buy the product from this website temporarily using this bank account details. The products will be delivered correctly by the client through some delivery mechanism. So click publish. If you have made any even small minor changes, click done. So now let us see the mobile site. So desktop site we have seen. Now let us see the mobile site. So this is the mobile site, looks like this in this bank account details page. You can customize this website based on your preferences. It is up to you. You can also change the quick action buttons too at any time. There are a lot many options in this available in the quick action design. You can choose black and white. You can choose color option vertically or horizontally. So based on your preferences you can change it. Where is the desktop mode? Then click publish. If you have made any changes, click done. Let us refresh it and check. So nice website, nice e-commerce website. So front page also good, looks nice. You can also change the background if required. That is also possible. It's quite easy. Without you have to change view modification, you can change it without losing the professionality, or without losing the professional look of the website. So let us see all the sites. So about our page, so they have given the random text option, so you need to provide all these details and customize it based on your needs. Okay, so hope you understood how to create a professional e-commerce website. Still more editing is required for the fully functioning of the website. In our next video, as a part 2 video, we will provide you all other editing options that we make in this website. So compared to any other platform, Wix.com is one of the world's most professional website designer platform. It is easy to use, easy to edit, easy to buy online too. Hope you understood. Try to get a professional e-commerce website through Wix.com. Okay, and try to utilize this IT revolution. So this is what they have given as a summary. Random text. So boom. This website is highly professional, highly secured. It has HTTPS, SSL certificate. All the transactions that you make or the customers make are secured, highly secured. No need to worry. It is very difficult to crack. So nice looking website. Hope you understood how to create a professional e-commerce website. Thank you friends. Please subscribe to this channel in order to get more videos in future. Thank you friends.